Good morning everyone. So now we will see question number 13.2. Okay, so here also this first one, okay, should be written in this form, okay, and this second one should be written in this form, okay. So okay, so let us see. So copy the first one. So we get, now this 1 upon 7x can be written as 1 by 7 into 1 by x, yes or no? And this can be written as 1 by 6 into 1 by y, and this will be 3. Now what we'll do is put 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Then we get 1 by 7u plus 1 by 6v is equal to 3. Next, you need to find the LCM for 7 and 6. LCM for 7 and 6 is 42. So that should be multiplied to each term. Okay, so 42 over here, here 7 will cancel 42 6 times, so you get 6u, okay, and here you get 7v because 42 and here 6 will cancel 7 times, and here 42 into 3, okay, so you get 6u plus 7v, and here 3 2 is 6, okay, and 3 4 is 12, so 126, okay, 126. I'm not giving equation to it, okay, and the other one we have 1 upon 2x minus 1 by 3y equal to 5, okay, you can write and this can be written 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 5. So 1 by 2, leave it like this. 1 by x can be written as u. 1 by y will be written as v. Now you need to find LCM of 2 and 3. Yes, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. That 6 should be multiplied to each term. So 2 will cancel 6 by 3 times. So 3u, 2v, and 6 into 5, 30. Okay. So you write, thus we have 6u plus 7v is equal to 126. Give this equation 1. 3u minus 2v equal to 30. Give this equation 2. Done. Now you have to see that what do you have in front of you. So you have 6. This 6 should be multiplied here, and here you have 3. This 3 should be multiplied here. Now 3 is multiplied to each term, so you get 18u plus 21v and 126 into 3. So 126 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 over here. 3 2 are 6 and 1 7, and 3 1 are 3. So you get 378 over here. This will be your equation 3. Then 6 will multiply to each over here. Okay, so this you get 18u minus 12v is equal to 180. This will be equation 4. Okay, now you see over here these two same. Yes, so you will subtract. That means you got to change the signs. So here plus will become minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Now plus 18u and minus 18u cancelled. Here plus 21v and here plus 12v. You have to add 21 and 12. Yes, so we will get 33v, and here 378 minus 180. Okay, so you get 8, and from 17 8 goes, you are left with 9, and from 2 1 goes, you are left with 198. Okay, now v will be equal to 198 divided by 33. Yes, so 3 11 ja, okay, and 3 6 ja 18, and again here, so 11 1 ja and 6 ja, so v is equal to 6. Now what we'll do, we will use the value of v in equation 1. Okay, so it would be easy to use in equation 2. Okay, so we'll use in equation 2 3u minus 2v. So put v is equal to this 6 in equation 2. So here we have 3u minus 2v is equal to 30. So we get 3u minus 2 into 6 is equal to 30. So 3u is equal to 30 plus 12. Here because minus 12 will go that side. So 3u is equal to 42. Now u equal to 42 divided by 3. Okay, so you get 14. Yes, 1 ja and 14 ja. So u equal to 14. Now u equal to 14 and v equal to 6, but u is what? 1 upon x. So in place of u I can write 1 upon x 14, and in place of v I can write 1 upon y. Now cross multiply, so you get 1 equal to 14x and 1 equal to 6y. Now you get 1 upon 14, oh sorry, then here 1 upon 14 equal to x, and here 1 upon 6 is equal to y. Then x equal to 1 by 14 and y equal to 1 by 6. Okay, therefore, in fact I can write therefore answer. Okay, so this was answer for question number 13 2. Okay.